In today's session, we are going to find the root of the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Hi, I'm Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. Suppose if you are able to express the quadratic equation in the form of x plus a whole square minus of b square is equals to 0. You consider any of the quadratic equation, those quadratic equation can be expressed in the form of x plus a whole square minus b square is equals to 0. That method is called as completing the square method. Now how to express the quadratic equation in the form of x plus a whole square minus b square is equals to 0, and how to solve this equation to get the roots of the equation. We'll try to see this with the help of an example. Let us take an example. The question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0 if they exist by the method of completing the squares. So the quadratic equation that is given is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. So given the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0, first let us try to make the coefficient of this x square to be 1. For that, let us just try to divide by 2 through. Now let us try to divide the entire left hand side by 2. Right hand side also is divided by 2, so but 0 by 2 will be 0 itself. Now each and every term is divided by 2, so we'll be getting 2x square divided by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. So we see that this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left out with x square minus, it is 7 by 2 times of, this is x plus what we have, plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Now we'll try to express this one either in the form of a plus b whole square, which will be nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's the formula we know. Then we have another formula, a minus b whole square. So what will be this a minus b whole square formula? Just put it in the chat box. So what do you have? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us try to see over here. You are having x square and here it is a square. So if I try to just replace this a by x, it becomes x square minus this 2 as it is into a means I have already taken this x over here into b value is what I have already taken, this minus I have already taken this x. What is left out over here? 7 by 2 is left out. 7 by 2 is left out. So is this the value that you will be getting when you multiply? So 2, this 7x by 2 is there, 7x by 2, but this 2 is additional. Because this 2 is additional, we need to divide this 2. So let us try to divide this 2. So this 2 in the denominator as it is, one more 2 I am dividing, so that if I cancel out this 2 and 2, I will get back this 7x by 2 as it is, no change. But to get this 2ab form, I am multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. Now this expression will be acting as your b value. This will be your b value. This will be your a value. This is 2. Are you getting 2ab? Next term plus b square. So b is what? 7 by 2 times of 2 is 4. 7 by 2 whole square, b square. But you have the 7 by 4 whole square. Over here you don't have. There's something additional that you are adding, therefore we need to subtract the same value. 7 by 4 whole square. Right? Now let us put this value back over here. So you will be getting the expression as x square minus 2 into a value is x over here, a into b value you can write 7 by, as I told you, 2 times of 2 will become 4, plus b square is 7 by 4 whole square. This is something additional I am adding to subtract that one. I am writing minus 7 by 4 whole square. So can you see only these two terms have been expressed. These two terms will cancel out. Last term what is there? Plus 3 by 2 as it is. Plus 3 by 2 as it is equals to what you have? Is equals to 0. Now if you try to group these values over here, these values, so is it not in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but a minus b whole square. So a value is x over here, b value is 7 by 4. So it becomes a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square minus, let us try to simplify this one. 7 square is 49 divided by 4 square is 16 plus this 3 by 2 as it is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. Let us further simplify this one. X minus 7 by 4 whole square. We need to simplify this one. What you are having? You are having minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 you have. So if I take the LCM as 16 over here, 16 is already there, so 16 times of 1 will be 16. 16 ones are, you get 16. Again 2 8s are 16, right? I got the LCM, now multiply. Minus of this minus sign as it is. So this 49 is multiplied by 1. 49 into 1 will be 49, and plus 8 3s are 24, which is nothing but, let us try to just subtract this one. Here greater number is having negative sign, therefore the value will be in terms of negative. So 9 minus 4 will be 5, 4 minus 2 will be 2, 25 by 16 it is. So let us put the value over here, minus 25 by 16 is equals to what you have? Is equals to 0. Or can I express this in the form of x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus, can I write this as 5 square will be 25 by 4 square will be 16. Can I write that as 5 by 4 whole square? So that 5 square will be 25 and 4 square will be 16 is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. So as I told you, you have to express it in the form of x plus a whole square minus of b square. So here we have got it as x minus a, because a value here is minus and you are having b square. So we need to solve this one. So we have expressed in this form. So just completing this square method. So we use the completing this square method, we got this expression. Now further we need to find out the roots of this equation. So let us see what has to be done here. X minus 7 by 4 whole square as it is equals to, let us take this minus on the other side, becomes plus 5 by 4, it is whole square. 5 by 4 whole square I got. Or further if I try to rewrite this one, x minus 7 by 4 will be equals to, if square goes on the other side, becomes square root. So it becomes plus or minus square root of 5 by 4 whole square. Just taking this square on the other side becomes square root. Or further we can write this as plus or minus. So the square and root will get cancelled. We are just left out with 5 by 4. Or x will be equals to this minus 7 by 4, when it comes on the right hand side it becomes plus 7 by 4. This minus, when it comes on the right hand side it becomes plus 7 by 4, and this value plus or minus 5 by 4 as it is. Now from here we will be getting two values, one is positive and one is negative. So x will be equals to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, positive sign. Again x will be equals to 7 by 4, already taken positive, now negative, minus 5 by 4. So let us take the LCM over here. LCM is 4. Whenever you have the common LCM, you can just add the numerator term, 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. So you have 12 by 4, or you can just cancel out this one. It's 4 1 times, 4 3 times. Therefore we get the value of x to be equals to 3. So we have got the first value or first root, x is equals to 3. Let us go for this one. X is equals to, once again the LCM is 4. Common LCM, numerator can be written as it is, 7 minus of 5. What is 7 minus of 5? Is it 2? So it is 2 by 4. You can just cancel out, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore you will be getting the value of x to be how much? X to be equals to 1 by 2. Hence you got the value of x to be equals to 1 by 2. Now these are the two roots that we have, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. So the question was to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Therefore we have got the roots of the quadratic equation as the roots of the quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation are x is equals to 3 and we have got x is equals to 1 by 2. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation which has been obtained by using completing the square method. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for today. Thank you.